Researchers are working their way through the phases of clinical trials for COVID-19 vaccines. The late-stage trials we're hearing about now are only for adults, but they have an obligation to the FDA to study the vaccine in children.
Based on some personal conversations with vaccine companies, that there's absolute interest and there's work on those pediatric clinical trials, but it's a step after a large portion of the adult trial is done.
Dr. McCullough says, based off his experience on working on other pediatric vaccines, trials will focus on finding the right dosage for kids and any side effects not seen in adults.
Kids' bodies are not the same as adults' bodies in terms of how their immune system responds to things and how medications may break down and get distributed in the body or interact.
In an article recently published in the Journal of Clinical Infectious Diseases, Dr. Evan Anderson says pediatric studies should be conducted at the same time as adult studies. Without a COVID-19 vaccine, children will likely serve as a reservoir, which will undermine the efforts to end the pandemic. Until all children can more safely return to school and parents can return to full-time work, it's difficult to imagine that the economy can completely recover. Dr. McCullough predicts we will not have enough herd immunity by next school year to be back to normal.
Wear your mask, socially distance, hand washing, symptom screening so that you are not coming to school when you shouldn't be. And I don't think those recommendations are going to be gone for next school year.
He thinks we'll see clinical trials in children beginning after the first of the year, at the earliest. In Omaha, Stephanie Nolte, 3 News Now.